welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I'm going to show you guys the viral Kerala fish fry. It's very easy to make. You can make with any type of fish you like. Heat a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once it's melt, you can turn off the heat, add Kashmiri chilli powder 1.5 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Slowly mix it and then you can turn on the heat back. Now you can add the crushed onion and garlic. I used 6 to 8 pods of garlic and 1 onion. You can put it in the food processor and just chop it. Mix it well. Add curry leaves to it and give it a mix. Crushed red chilli 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, fennel seed powder 1 teaspoon. Add everything and then just mix it well. Now another key ingredient is the tamarind. I'm using the tamarind water, half cup, because my fish, I'm using the kingfish, which is a kind of a little bit big size. So depends on the fish, how many pieces you are using, you can add accordingly. At this point, you can adjust the seasoning before putting the fish. Now I'm adding the kingfish slices. You can use any kind of fish for this fry and place the fish on top of the masala and cook for like 3 to 4 minutes on one side, and in between try to put the masala on top of the fish. Then you can cook for like 3 to 4 minutes on that side. Now you can flip and cook the other side of the fish. Once you flip the fish, you can put little more masala on top of the fish and fry again. Finally, one more flip and the fish fry will be ready. When you flip, make sure you are using 2 spatulas so that the fish can be flipped properly. Finally, I'm garnishing with some green chilies and more curry leaves. And now you can turn off the heat and let it rest for some time so all the masalas and all the spices will go into the fish. The viral fish fry is ready to eat now. You can use any kind of fish you like for this recipe. I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.